In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from ActiveCampaign in a full 2025 tutorial. If you're looking to move your contact data out of ActiveCampaign, whether it's for backup purposes, a migration to a new platform, or simply to organize your contacts in a spreadsheet, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into the process to make it as smooth as possible for you. First things first, open up your browser and head over to activecampaign.com. You'll want to log into your ActiveCampaign account using your credentials. After you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand menu and click on Contacts. This option will take you directly to the page containing your entire list of contacts all in one convenient place. Now, this part is particularly important if you're not planning to export every single contact. You have options here. Utilize the search or filters feature to narrow down which specific contacts you'd like to export. This could be based on tags, contact lists, or even the status of your contacts. Doing this helps you avoid sifting through unnecessary data later on. Once you've decided which contacts you're focusing on, direct your attention to the top right corner of the contact table, where you'll find the export icon. Click on it. You'll then be presented with two choices: export all contacts or export selected contacts. Select the option that aligns with your requirements. For example, if you've used a filter to narrow down a specific group, you'll probably want to go with Export Selected Contacts. ActiveCampaign now gets to work preparing your export file, crafting it into a CSV format. This is a highly versatile file type that's compatible with many spreadsheet applications. Keep an eye out for a notification informing you that your export is ready. Once the file is prepared, head over to your email inbox. You should see an email from ActiveCampaign containing a link to download your CSV file. Click on this link when you're ready, and be sure to save the file to a location on your computer where you can easily find it. After downloading, open the CSV file using a program like Excel or Google Sheets. Here, you'll find all your exported contacts neatly displayed, including names, email addresses, and any custom fields you might have set up within ActiveCampaign. Here's a quick pro tip. If you only need specific data, such as email addresses, it's a good idea to apply filters right before the export process. This keeps your exported list clean and ensures you only focus on what's important to you. That's it for today's tutorial on exporting your contacts from ActiveCampaign. With these steps, you should be able to effortlessly manage your contacts and keep them well organized. Happy exporting!